So it's absolutely straight at the bottom. Right, just Hannah, have you got the spirit level? Could you check it even on the side? I think up slightly on the left, a fraction, just a fraction. Slightly on the left, I mean literally whisker, yeah. I think that's good. Yeah, okay, go for that. If you could try and frame the frame, you know, so you've got the frame and the painting. You got it, you got it, you got it. That's amazing. That is amazing. That absolutely looks amazing. You know, just, it's sort of all the work that goes into getting to that moment, and then the light just looks tremendous. That is absolutely wonderful. Yeah.
Thanks, everyone.
Kiva, thank you. That was absolutely amazing. When we were sort of discussing it in the National Gallery, the Conservators think, what's it going to look like in the gallery? You know, because you don't know till you actually hang it and light it. And so this is the first time I'm sort of, you know, now I know what it's going to look like. You look at it differently in the gallery because you're looking at it as a subject that the artist set out to communicate with you, whereas up until now we've been looking at it as a piece of scientific research or a piece of conservation, or trying to find out as much as we can about techniques. So we've been almost dissecting it or pulling it apart in a sense to bring the whole weight of critical analysis to it. So that period is over now, so now it's on the wall, it's becoming theatrical, it's becoming this wonderful communicating painting that the artist, you know, 500 years ago set out to communicate with whoever was going to be looking at the painting. And the fact that we're still doing it 500 years later, and for the first time in its new home, something that's really exciting.